Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M.Haafizh Kurniawan, a student of Padang State University, majoring in English education. This time, I will bring paragraph pattern material for intermediate reading course assignment. There are 6 paragraph patterns that I will explain this time. The first one is the listing pattern. The writer states the idea in a form generalization and gives a list of details to support that general statement. There are several common signal words, a number of, a variety of kinds of, for example, also, in addition, first, second, and so on. Next, we move to time order pattern. Organized ideas or events according to time can either be in the form of narration or a process. There are several common signal words: first, second, next, after that, before, during, later, by the time, and so on. Next is comparison pattern, where similarities or differences or two or more things are explored. There are several common signal words. In contrast, different from similar, with unlike, like, however, similarly, and so on. Next is cause-effect pattern, telling about the cause or effect of some things or some action. There are several common signal words: cause, because of, due to, as a result, so that, therefore, and so on. The next is definition pattern. Tell the reader what term of concept is being defined and giving definition of a term or concept. The common signal word is, are, is defined as defined as, means, refers to, and so on. The last is the classification pattern. Classify into some parts or divide into parts. There are several common signal words. There are several kinds. There are numerous of, can be classified as, there is, and there are. Now, I will give example for each paragraph pattern. The first example is the listing pattern. I have highlighted some of the common signal words in red, namely first, second, third, fourth. The next example is the cause-effect pattern. I have highlighted some of the common signal words in red, namely cause of, because, and due to. The next example is the time order pattern. I have highlighted some of the common signal words in red. First, next, during, later, by the time. The next example is the comparison pattern. I have highlighted some of the common signal words in red, namely in contrast, different from, similar, unlike, however, and similarly. The next example is the definition pattern. I have highlighted many of the common signal words in red, which you can see behind me. The next example is the classification pattern. I have highlighted the common signal words in red, namely there are several, there are numerous, classified as. That's all for the paragraph pattern material from me. Thank you.